Hi, this is Zach here from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at the bulletin board heroes on Monday, the 18th of July. Starting off with Conroy Gold and a beautiful bull flag breakout through the 40 pence zone here for this market or this stock above the 10-day moving average at 34 pence. We're looking for significant upside. That could be as high as the top of this rising trend channel from the end of November, heading for 67 pence over the next 1 to 2 months. In the meantime, any dip towards the 40 pence zone, nominally that former 38.5 pence May peak as well coming into view, would be regarded as a buying opportunity. Next up, Highland Natural Resources, which looks like it's making a decent attempt to break out after the fierce sell-off from the beginning of June. Above the 20-day moving average around 23 pence. We're looking for an initial target here up to the 50-day moving average of 39.76 over the next month or so. Kimberly is next. Kimberly Enterprises is next, where we've got this latest rebound off the 50-day moving average at 1.01 pence. Above that, one would expect the stock to head towards the top of the 1 month range as high as 2 pence. Overall, the big target here over the next 2 to 3 months as high as 3.3 pence, which is the top of this rising March trend channel, and which should also retest that initial June spike. Another stock which is getting favored by private investors at the moment is Kolar Gold. Support here towards the 200-day moving average at 1.15 pence. That's the black line there. And above that, we're looking for 2 pence, which is the April resistance zone. Big figure target here is 3 pence over the next 2 to 3 months, which would be the top of this rising January trend channel. Moving along to stock which has had very decent moves over the recent past in the form of Sakura. Looks like we've got a nice reversal here in the sense that the old April support was 41.49, and we've gapped back above that for Friday session. While there's no end of day close back below that, one would be looking for June resistance around the 70 pence level to be hit over the next couple of weeks. Be cautious on the shares, maybe wait for an end of day close above the 50-day moving average at 55.29 pence before going long, but a decent recovery looks to be in prospect in there already. Finishing off with Westminster Group, which has lived up to expectations. We broke through the initial 17 pence July high, and at that time the potential target there up to 30 pence. Made decent moves towards that, and while there's no break back below 20 pence, that should be the target over the next 2 to 4 weeks. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.